Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold power button and reset device from here. After restart device you will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on backup and reset. After click on reset phone, click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process you will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, swipe down and you will see search auto rotate, turn on auto rotate, turn off, turn on or turn off auto rotate mode 1 to 3 times. After the process go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen rotation not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.